Last year, BYD launched its Seagull, priced at just $11,400, and within the first 24 hours, it received over 10,000 offers. But now, BYD has gone even further by launching new EV models that are even cheaper than the Seagull. This might sound too good to be true, but it's actually going to happen pretty soon. So let's dive in and see how BYD is able to offer affordable cars, especially when inflation is increasing day by day. And let me tell you that if you think you're going to get nothing but garbage for this price, then this video is going to blow your mind. It's not a surprise that BYD has seen growth in the EV market, all because of its affordability. Now, some people believe that because it's a Chinese company, they must be compromising on the quality, but that's not entirely true. In fact, BYD is one of the largest EV manufacturers in China and has been leading the market for quite some time now. After all, it needs some serious guts to take Tesla head-on and then beat it in terms of sales numbers. In case you don't know, BYD became the #1 electric vehicle manufacturer in the world, surpassing Tesla. I've already made a detailed video on this topic, so make sure to check that out and see the numbers game yourself. The link will be in the description below. Considering the immense growth of the BYD Seagull, the company's CEO has introduced the Seagull EV Honor Edition, which is super affordable. From the inside, the Honor Edition of the BYD Seagull EV is an impressive offering that fulfills expectations. Equipped with a rotating 10.1-inch infotainment screen, powered by BYD's DINC Intelligent Network connection, this car brings seamless media and connectivity features right to the driver's fingertips. The user-friendly interface and advanced technology enhance the overall driving experience, making it convenient and enjoyable. As for the range, this EV offers an impressive mileage of up to 252 miles. This is made possible by the option to choose between two battery packs, the 30.8 kilowatt and the 38.88 kilowatt Blade battery packs. Then we have the fast charging, which means the car is expected to charge up to 80% in just 30 minutes. As of making this video, you have 3 different models of the vehicle to choose from, each offering accessible and flexible electric driving options tailored to your needs. The Vitality Edition serves as the base model with a range of 190 miles. This one is perfect for everyday city trips. The Mid-Range Freedom Edition offers the same range and similar features, but with a few extra comforts. In that way, it's ideal for those seeking a more refined commuting experience. Lastly, there's the Flying Edition, which boasts an extended range of 252 miles and added sporty elements as well. As I said in the beginning of this video, affordability is BYD's main selling point. This is a strategy that has worked so far, and the company is sticking to it. Despite being affordable, BYD has not compromised the quality of its vehicles. In fact, they have continuously improved their technology and features, making them a giant in the EV market. But how do they manage to keep the costs low? Well, the credit goes to their vertical integration strategy. This means that BYD owns every phase of production, from manufacturing all the batteries to assembling the vehicles. By controlling every step of the process, BYD can lower costs while still using top-notch technology. Doing so has made them successful and allowed them to create innovative electric cars that have long mileage and can charge quickly. Statistics also prove that BYD is doing great with its plan to bring affordable electric vehicles to drivers everywhere. Last year, they sold over 280,000 units of their super popular Seagull model in China. This number is so big that even big competitors like Ford are paying attention. Ford's CEO Jim Farley admitted they're starting to feel the BYD pressure. He's worried that if traditional car makers don't step up, they could lose 20 to 30% of their revenue to these rising Chinese EV brands. Ford is now rushing to develop a low-cost EV platform to stay in the race. They've even brought in outside experts to help them out. But guess what? BYD isn't stopping at affordable EVs. They're moving into the high-end market too. They've launched the jaw-dropping Yang Wang U9 electric supercar, which comes with a price tag of $233,000. I've made a detailed video on this car as well, so make sure to check that out as well. Link will be in the description below. Now, on top of everything, BYD has also introduced 2 mid-size electric SUVs, Sea Lion 07 and Song L, designed to challenge top sellers like Tesla's Model Y. Here's a quick affordability comparison between the two. Tesla's most affordable model in China is priced at about $31,900, which is more than 3 times the cost of BYD's cheapest model. This huge price difference is exactly why BYD is capturing so much attention and winning over a huge number of customers. Here, I'm not neglecting the fact that it was Tesla that changed how people think about EVs. The brand proved that electric cars could not only be reliable, but also fast and stylish. For example, the Model S really set the standard for what luxury electric cars could be. And later, the Model 3 came along to make EVs more affordable and easier to get for a wider group of people. Tesla also built huge factories, called gigafactories, which are some of the biggest in the world. These factories help them produce a lot of cars quickly and meet the demand from people all across the globe. However, it's a fact that BYD has beaten Tesla in terms of sales numbers. BYD makes things pretty smooth because of so many reasons. One of the biggest advantages they have is that most of the parts in their vehicles are made in-house. This strategy helps keep costs low and gives the company a lot of flexibility in producing their cars. They're not reliant on many outside suppliers because they even own and operate their own lithium mines, processing facilities, battery production plants, and even a chip-making unit. That kind of control over their supply chain is rare and super impressive. But wait, it gets even cooler. BYD's battery division, called FinDreams Battery, is the second largest producer of electric vehicle batteries in the world as of 2024. They specialize in lithium iron phosphate batteries, a type of battery that is in huge demand. One of their standout creations is the Blade battery, something they've spent 27 years perfecting. This innovative battery technology is a game changer, making their cars safer, more efficient, and incredibly advanced. BYD's leadership in LFP batteries is a big deal, especially since these batteries are expected to make up over 60% of the global power battery market this year. Isn't that amazing? Now, before you ask why LFP batteries, here's a quick answer. These batteries are remarkable because they don't require cobalt, making them more sustainable and environmentally friendly. Additionally, they offer exceptional thermal stability, which reduces the risk of overheating compared to other battery types. BYD's battery technology has undergone and passed rigorous safety tests, including crush tests, heat tests, and overcharging tests, frequently surpassing industry standards. The Blade battery is also something that has become a major breakthrough in the world of batteries. This ultra-safe battery is now used in all BYD passenger cars and has completely changed the game in terms of safety and battery density. It delivers excellent performance for electric vehicles while being incredibly reliable. Its clever array design means it offers 50% more space than traditional block batteries, making it efficient and innovative. When it comes to safety, the Blade battery has outperformed expectations. It reached a safe temperature range of 30 to 60 degrees Celsius during nail penetration tests without producing smoke or fire. This is a clear proof of its unmatched safety standards. So, with all of these amazing technology and features, it's no surprise that BYD is dominating the EV market. They are looking to make things even better and affordable for people around the world. When you look at the business plan, you can't doubt how affordable and sustainable their new vehicles are gonna be. Let's see what newcomers BYD has in store for us in the near future. Let me know in the comments if you love BYD or if you're a fan of Tesla or any other brand. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content regarding electric vehicles and related technology. Thank you so much for watching.